In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Wix Favicon to website. A favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab next to your website name. It helps your site look more polished and makes it easier for visitors to recognize your brand when they have multiple tabs open. In Wix, updating your favicon is a quick setting change, and I will walk you through it clearly. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. Make sure you are signed into the correct account and that you have selected the website you want to update. This is important if you manage more than one site, because you want to be sure the favicon is being added to the right one. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Settings. This section contains many of the core options for your website, including general site details and branding-related settings. After that, select Website Settings from the expanded menu. This will open the area where Wix stores settings that affect how your site appears and functions at the website level. Take a moment to make sure you are in the correct section before continuing. Next, scroll down until you find the favicon section. Depending on your screen size, you may need to scroll a little further, so just move slowly until you see it. This is the setting specifically used for the icon that appears in browser tabs. When you find it, click the Upload Image button. You will then have the option to upload an image directly from your computer or choose one from your existing site files. If you already prepared a logo or icon for your brand, you can select that here. For best results, use a simple, clear image that still looks good at a very small size, since favicons are tiny and detailed designs may not display well. After you choose your image, Wix will apply it to the favicon setting. The last thing you need to do is publish your site to make the change live. If you are working from the dashboard, publish your site there. If you are in the editor, click Publish in the editor instead. This ensures your updated favicon becomes visible to visitors. Keep in mind that browser changes can sometimes take a little time to appear, and you may need to refresh the page or clear your cache before you see the new icon. That covers everything you need to know.